Hi, my name is Blake Baxter. Welcome to Radical Board Repair. This is a damaged surfboard that has had some serious fiberglass destruction. This is what we call a ding, and this is what I'm going to teach you how to fix. I'm using this knife to stick under the damaged fiberglass, and then I pry it up and peel it off. Now, as you can see, I've peeled back all of the fiberglass with the knife. The next step is to apply sandpaper. Okay, what you're gonna do is grab the sandpaper, and you're just gonna start sanding. Sand the affected area until rough. Q-cell powder is the base of the mixture. Be sure to add enough clear sanding resin to fill the entire ding. Finally, add a few drops of catalyst. Catalyst is the hardening agent that will make the mixture solid. This is the mixture. I'm going to stir it with a knife, and then we will apply it to the surfboard ding. Display my mixing. Your final mixture should look like Elmer's glue. You're going to want to lie the board flat so that when you pour the mixture in the ding, it will not overflow and run off the board. Use the knife to spread the mixture over the ding, just like frosting a cake. Be sure to not make a mess. Cleaning up resin can be one of the worst jobs. As you can see, our mixture has firmed up overnight. Now it's hard as a rock and ready to sand. Now you're going to turn the power sander on. Inhaling fiberglass dust can be extremely harmful. Avoid it at all costs. Sometimes, even with an electric sander, sanding can take a really long time. Make sure you apply pressure while sanding in order to grind it down faster. The goal is to sand the ding repair down so that it's flush with the surface of the board. Well, the ding repair is done. It's smooth as butter. Let's go surf.